Okay, let's look at the default parameter values for function. So let's say default define rectangle, area of rectangle. So normally we have parameter length and width. Okay, then we will say return length multiplied by width. Okay, so when you use it, we say rectangle area. So if you don't provide anything, it will use the default value. Okay, so here we will say missing two required positional arguments, length and width. Okay, so if you say 10 and 2, okay, 20. Okay, so try to remember the previously I did not assign anything. So you can say length is 10. Okay, width is 20 without assigning anything. It's exactly the same as assigning two parameter 10 and then 2 for length and width. Okay, it should be same order. Okay, so 20 is correct. So if you look at rectangle area, what if you assign only first value? Okay, let's say 20. So we assign it 20, but we didn't set a new value for width. So we are using default value 2. So 20 multiplied by 2 should be 40. Okay, so if you don't want to use a new rectangle, want to use a new value without using default value, okay, let's say 5 by 4, you can do so. Okay, 20, 5 by 4. So here, if you don't provide anything, we assume you are using default value for length and width. If you provide only one value, okay, we are assuming you are using the first one and then default. So we are saying 20 by 2. If you want to use new value, nothing to do with the default value, you can still do so, 5 and 4. Okay, for second parameter, it's going to be looks a bit ugly. So if we say rectangle area, okay, you may assume we can leave first one blank, okay, and then say, for example, 4. So 4 multiplied by 10, it doesn't work that way. Okay, if we say invalid syntax, of course, if we put 0, we are not actually using 10. We are using 0 and 4. It's going to be, of course, it's going to be 0, but that's what we want. So if you want to use only first parameter for 20, that will be multiplied by 2, so it will be 40. If you want to use the second parameter, this is what I mean by the syntax is a bit ugly. Okay, so this way you can say length is 10, the width is 4. Okay, so that will be 40. Okay, that's all. Thank you.